I said in there is gold is probably riding for a fall because the last two times it was anywhere near this was in the massive inflation, so double-digit inflation in the 70s, early 80s. And before that, the Great Depression, when gold, well, the dollar was devalued in gold terms from 20.67 to 35. That's a 70% devaluation. That's like emerging market kind of devaluation, right? Back in 1934, January 31st, 1934, the government confiscated private gold, didn't allow any more private ownership of gold, and money supply collapsed. Now, we're not in anything like either of those two worlds, and yet gold is where it is. I think if I were a betting person, and I can't give advice necessarily, but I would make a shift from gold into Bitcoin, because I do think the knocks on Bitcoin in the last year have been stable coins are taking some of the role that Bitcoin was going to play in emerging markets. That's true. But that's not forever. That's just for the equivalent of a checking account. When they want real savings, they're going to buy Bitcoin, we believe, especially if it's a $1.5 million price target in 2030. That's our bull case.